you love me, that made me crazy. Harriet, come on! You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can be the reason we don't be impolite. And I touch you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times on top. Having a man in office, having a medically. When it is fairly obvious, and find the yes. Having a man in office, having a medically.